Hare Krishna, and a very warm welcome to all my dear angels. In my last three videos, I have shown you some wonderful techniques of finding the squares of the numbers ending with 5, starting with 5, and the relationship of the squares of numbers of 26 to 50 from 1 to 25, and other techniques of numbers like 475 to 525. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the square of every number which is ending with 25. Just like for a number ending with 5, there is a special technique for finding the square of a number ending with 25. And this is very simple technique, very fast technique. And I'm showing you for to demonstrate that screen, I'm sharing my screen with you. So I hope my screen is visible to all of you and also that I'm audible to all of you. Now, this, this is a simple technique and the general basic formula for finding the square of any number ending with 25. Say the number is A25, where A can be a two-digit number, three-digit number, four-digit number. That does not matter. Only thing matters is that the last two digits will be 25, are 25, right? Now, what to do when you have to find the square of 69? Remember, the first part is A. The first we have to first operate on the number part A and next on the number part 25. Now for A, the technique is you find the A square, and then add half of A to the square of that number. I repeat, you find A square, and then add A plus 2, means half of A to that square and multiply by 10, Now suppose you have to find the square of number 225. Now 225, here it is A25, means A is 2 over here. A is 2. So just leave 25 and consider the only part A, that is 2. So A square is how much? 2 square. So 2 square is equal to 4. 2 square is equal to 4. Now add 2 by 2, half of 2, that is 1. So 2 by 2 is 1. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, and 5 into 10. After the addition, you have to multiply it by 10, and so it finally gets to be 50. It gets to be 50. And finally, you have to write the square of 25. So the square of 25 is always 625. It means that for any number ending with 25, the last three digits of the number will be the last three digits of the square of that number will always be 625, because the square of 25 is always 625. So I repeat what I have done. Like you have to find the square of 25. So just consider the number 2. Before 25, just consider number 2. Find the square of this number 2 as 4. Divide 2 by 2, make it half. Half of 2 by 2 is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and then multiply it by 10. Then multiply by 10. So you get 50. After multiplying by 10, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 into 10, you get 50. And 50 into 50 and followed by 625, because square 25 is always 625. So answer is 50625. In the same way, you can find all these numbers. 125. Now 125 is 1 square, and 1 half. 1 half means 0.5. So 1 plus 0.5 is how much? 1.5. 1.5 into 10 is equal to how much? 15. 1.5 into 10 is 15. So my answer will be 15625. 15625. 225 already shown. Now suppose the number is 525. Now 5 square plus 5 upon 2 into 10. Now 5 upon 2 is 2.5, and 5 square is equal to how much? 25. So 25 plus 2.5 is 27.5. Multiply by 10, give me 275. Give me 275. The decimal part is gone because I'm multiplying by 10. So decimal is gone. I'm getting 275 followed by square of 25, and that is always 625. That is always 625. In the same way, you can find all these squares: 625, 725, 825. Now, suppose you have to find the square of this four-digit number, 1025. Now, here the number before 5 is 102. 102. Right? So, the technique is same. You have to first find the square of number 1. Sorry, it is 10. It is 10, not 10. It is 10. So, you have to find the square of 10, and then 10 divided by 2. So it is 100 plus 5. 100 plus 5 is 105. Multiplied by 10 is 1050. So answer is very simple. 1050625. In the same way, 1125. Just consider the numbers. Yes, it's only just 10, not 102. It is only 10. Now in the 1125, just consider the number 11. Before what is the number before 25? You have to consider only that number. Now 11 is the number before 25. So 11 square plus 11 by 2 into 10. Add both these numbers, 121 plus 5.5, that is 126.5. Multiplied by 10, you get 1265, and then followed by 625. then followed by 620. So such a fast technique of finding the square of any number ending with 25. It can be a 3-digit number, 2-digit number, 4-digit number. So I have shown for all 4-digit numbers. Then I'm also showing you for a 5-digit number now. It is 10025, a 5-digit number. So consider only the number 100, 100 before the number 25. So it will be 100 square plus 100 by 2 into 10. 100 square is equal to how much? 10,000. 100 by 2 is 50. When I add both these numbers, I get 100,550. Multiplied by 10 is 100,500, and then followed by 625. Then followed by 625. So answer is 100,500, 625. See, such a big square I can find without doing any actual multiplication. I'm not doing any 5-digit multiplication to find the square. That is why I'm able to find in such a fast way. In the same way, you have to find the square of all these numbers: 12525, 20025, 30025, and it's very easy because you have to simply consider the square of 200, square of 300, square of 200, square of 300 is 90,000, square of 300 is 90,000, 9 followed by 40, 200 is 4 followed by 40, 125 already showed you is 15625, and then do all the other steps and you get the answer. So very simple technique, very fast technique, and you can find the squares of 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, even bigger numbers, and by using this technique. The technique is very simple: squaring, dividing by 2, adding, multiplying by 10, and followed by 625. So I hope you must have understood this technique. I'm stopping now, sharing my screen. So children, I hope that you must have liked this video, and I've just I've shown you one new technique of finding the squares of any number ending with 25. There are so many other techniques of finding the squares, and if you find this video is really worth your time, precious time, that is added to your value, is added to your knowledge, and if you find really valuable, then do subscribe to my channel and do share it among your friends. And if you really want to learn more such techniques, more survivable techniques, more magical games, and all techniques of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, how to add from left to right, left to right, how to separate from left to right to left, and all other magical techniques of squaring, cubing, magical games, then this combined operations of multiplication, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. I'll teach you all this when you join my course. So do call me at my number 9265418811. I repeat, 9265418811. And I hope that you have liked this video. So thank you very much for sharing valuable time with me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful day. Have a great day. Hare Krishna.